Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. Hey guys, today I have a new product that I want to share with you. This is a roll-on perfume that you can wear and will last for hours, and they sent it to me in this box right here, and the company name is Maison d'Orient. And we are going to find in here some very lovely essential oil type perfumes. Some that will help you in various ways, not only to smell nice, but some that can be very relaxing and some that can be invigorating and just having a great sense of well-being, which we all want. And I want to share this with you. They reached out to me. I am an affiliate, and that means that not only did they send this to me to share with you, they also sent a code that you can save 15% off of your entire order with Miss Jackie Russell. And I will have the link and my code down in the description. And if it is something that you decide to purchase, please let me know so that I can properly thank you. But let's get on to this box and see what we have from Maison d'Orient. Oh, we've got several items in here. We have the lead that we're running with today, and it is the Legacy Cali's. I think that's how you pronounce that. It says it's all riad, and I don't know if that is the name, I would say, of the brand perhaps. I'm going to open this up and I'm going to tell you all about this and what it has in it, top notes and everything. And I'm going to also let you know that inside here they did send me as a gift Cali's Perfumes Discovery Set. Look at that. Isn't that nice? And that came as a gift. So very, very nice. And that's what it looks like. So it's got a good amount in it for the samples, and it tells you the sample number that's on there. Ooh, and it smells really good. I don't want to spray it on me because I want to get a full description of this one here that we're going to feature today. But I have 5 samples in here to try out. Isn't that wonderful? And they sent me a little note here. It says it's the Sample Discovery Set, a great way to discover our range and have a chance to try various creations we have developed over the years, as well as some of our new upcoming ones. And of course, it gives me the complete guide to everything that they have to offer. And I do want to tell you a little bit about this company and about this particular scent. Legacy is a unisex fragrance that leans slightly masculine. A woman can easily wear this, it says, with confidence and style. The opening is bright and zesty and clean with a note of lemongrass. And the packaging is really, really nice. It has a lemon-scented oriented herb with spicy undertones. It's perfect for men and women who are outgoing and adventurous. The moment you smell this fragrance, you are reminded of a summer's day, drinking lemonade and smelling sweet, sharp scent of fresh cut grass. You will find yourself smelling your wrist throughout the day just to breathe in the pleasant and recognizable aromas, which remind you of the outdoor adventures. And it says this is for daytime wear, office wear, for spring and summer, and it's a moderate projection, and it lasts 8 hours. So the scents are going to last you for a while, and when we take off this top, we're going to see that it is a roll-on. Oh, that smells very good. And it does have top notes of lemongrass and heart notes of cedarwood, and base notes are musk. Oh, that smells just like it said. I can smell the lemongrass, and it smells like fresh cut grass. Have you ever smelled that and thought, wow, that smells good when you go outside? Oh, and I can smell a little hint of like the musk and the cedarwood. And it is oil based, so it's going to stay on for a good 8 hours. It says in the heart there's a warm scent of the cedar wood, one of the universal smells that pulls you in and reminds you of a heirloom chest, cigar box, or crackling campfire. And it is. It's intoxicating, and that's the word that they use for it. And in the base, you'll find the musk, which is a reminiscent of soft skin that has been kissed by the sun. It's luxurious and creamy. Yeah. And really complements the skin's chemistry. If you want to feel good in your skin and want a fragrance that adds zest to your life and brightens your outgoing personality, Legacy Silver is a perfect choice. So if that's something of interest to you, I think you would like this. If you like the great outdoors, you're really going to like this. And this runs $27.49. Right now it's on sale for $22.24. And you can save an additional, I keep smelling it, you can save additional 15% with my code. And you can put this on your wrist. You can, of course, put it on the base of your earlobes. And it's going to last, it says, 8 hours. And it's not overwhelming. You know how you can have some essential oils and or perfumes that's just overwhelming to you? This is not like that. It's nice and vibrant and refreshing, and it just smells like that fresh cut scent that you smell when you cut the grass. This is very nice. So if you're out hiking or doing things outdoors and you're an outdoorsy person, the Legacy Silver could be right up your alley. And the packaging is really, really cute. It's a 20 ml size, and you can tell that it's filled all the way to the top. So this is the first Maison Deodorant roll-on perfume that I have to share with you. And I'll be coming back and sharing some others with you off and on of the different ones that I have received. Oh, it just smells really good. So this is a winner, and I will be back to share with you another scent that I've gotten. And again, I just want to say, if you are an outdoorsy person and you like the fresh and outdoorsy smell, you are going to love this Legacy Silver. And remember, it's for men or women. So thank you very much, Maison Deodorant, for sending this over to me for review. I appreciate you, and I thank you very much. And I think this is a good scent to try out. And I can't wait to come back and tell you about the next one that I have. I want to do these individually. If you're wondering why, it's because I want to get a true scent of what I am presenting to you so that I can tell you whether I like it or not. If I have a mixture of scents on me, then I would not be able to review this properly in my own opinion. And I hope you can appreciate that. I want to give you my fresh idea. I want the fresh scent on me without any other scents coming around to influence my decision. But this is a win. I really like it. So thank you so much for joining me today. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.